inside the Niger Delta.
Communities in Daura, Emirate of Katsina State will play host to a children's hospital in no distant time. This follows the signing of a contract awarded for the execution of the hospital project by the NNPC Belemaoil joint venture in partnership with Belemaoil Foundation recently in Port Harcourt.
The signing of a contract for the Children's Hospital project in Daura signals the official commencement of the project. When completed, the hospital project with a 100-bed capacity, fully equipped laboratory and scanning facilities will help reduce incidence of maternal and infant mortality, which is most prevalent in sub-Saharan Africa. Stakeholders in the Children's Hospital project, initiated by the NNPC Belemaoil venture in partnership with the Belemaoil Foundation, are therefore optimistic that the intervention will provide succor for communities in the Daura Emirates.
This is not the first time Belemaoil, in conjunction with the NNPC, have done something worthwhile, very, very worthwhile and well appreciated in my community. I happen to be aware that you have done something similar in Sokoto. You have done it in Misau, Bauchi State. You have done it in Duku, in Gombe State. It looks like this is a hallmark of Belemaoil. We quite appreciate you for that.
In any community, when you talk about health, you are trying to say, I am helping you to promote your welfare of the citizenry. That's the purpose of Belemaoil. What he's doing as much as possible is helping the community. And before that, he was in Daura, where he was able to give us so many boreholes in each local government in Daura, which is equally helping the welfare of the people. Now it goes along with the health, which we quite appreciate, and we are thankful to him and thankful to Almighty God.
The project, which commences immediately, will be executed by 4 companies that will be supervised by a consultant to ensure that it is delivered in accordance with its original design at the right time.
This has to do with health, that is child health. Without the children, we don't have a future, and that's why we deemed it fit that this is something we are going to invest in. What makes us different from others is that we extend a hand of fellowship to our communities and to other communities in Nigeria.
And the community should look forward to a successful project that will go on.
Founder and president of Belemaoil Producing Limited, Jack Rich Ten Jr., who addressed stakeholders in the project, described it as his company's demonstration of love and commitment to national unity.
What we have demonstrated today is a clear statement that those of our brothers in the north and we down south here were one. We're not different from ourselves. And understanding our respective needs and collaborating to addressing that need is the most important foundation that we need to lay as legacy for our children and their children. And it's also very important to recognize the fact that this project is for humanity. This project is to showcase love. It's not any form of arrogance. Is designed to display humility and recognize the importance of the human race.
The Children's Hospital in Daura, which is expected to be completed by August next year, is one of several projects initiated and executed across the country by Belemaoil since it was awarded the operational license of OML 55 few years back, and more recently, the joint operatorship of OML 25.
Inside the Niger Delta.